Going on, y'all? We back on the road again, going to Havana, Cuba, and Varadero. But we gotta go looking fresh. So we got the nightlife. We only doing a little bit of Timbs and jeans and Versace shirts from China. And then after we do that, we're gonna go to the day side where we're gonna spice it up a lot more. You know, basic regular tees, of course, but we gonna go to the shorts. Don't be a menace to South Central while drinking your juice and nut. And you know I got the juice with the bubblicious kicks. We got the sound looking pretty good. We got the sound right there. And then we got the good vibes with the Chi Chong. And we can't forget the homie El Chapo. But how can we go from El Chapo to Martin? I'm the man. Whoa. Without shouting out Martin for getting his star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. We got the Can I Bust with the regular shorts. And then we got Garfield. But what we got on the feet, you see the socks. But then we have the Jordans from China. Yes. But the reason we're all going is to support the Cuban people. So I did it up way bigger than the last time I went to support the Cuban people in Havana. And I got the snacks. I got the toys for the kids. I got more food. I got shirts. I got more toys. I got snacks. I got more food. I got more shirts. It's your boy $40 East Fresh at the Flyboy Way.